Hey, how's it going, friends? This video I want to show you why we resurface bands and walls after a cold joint repair. For example, I showed you on a previous video that we did window cutouts around the windows around this house, most of the windows, and to allow the window contractor to replace the windows. And now after we are repairing it, it has metal flashing and everything behind it, proper caulking and ice and water shield. But the as you can see, the cold joint there, even if we lap it right there, right along that area, if we were to do our best job lapping it with diamond mash, whatever anybody can recommend, it will have a cold joint right along there, It's not there because we barely did this repair or install that brown coat yesterday. At the end of the day, that was just a little bit of mud that the guys had left. But I want to show you another window that we did. Buenos dias. And here are the guys. And one of the windows that we did yesterday, same thing, same repair, but we can tell that the fiberglass mesh overlaps any seam and is going to not crack from here on. So that's basically our goal. That's it. I just wanted to show you this in this quick video, how to overlap any cold joint stucco repair with fiberglass mesh. And I know the fiberglass mesh job doesn't look all that great. They're still gonna like not rasp it, but you know, with stone, they're gonna strain it. I'll show you a video once it's done. And then the caulking around the windows, it's gonna be great. Alrighty folks, I wanted to show you that. Thanks for watching.